To add product tags on Shopbase, start by logging into your Shopbase account and navigating to the Products page. From there, click on the product you want to add tags to and select the Edit option. In the Product Edit page, scroll down to the Tags section. This is where you can add keywords that describe your product, making it easier for customers to find when searching. To add a tag, simply type the keyword into the Tags field and press Enter. You can add as many tags as you like, but it is recommended to keep them relevant and concise. For example, if you are selling a t-shirt, you could add tags like cotton, casual, or summer wear. This will help customers who are searching for these types of products to find yours. It is also a good idea to use a mix of niche and broad tags to reach a wider audience. For instance, if you are selling a product that is specifically designed for hiking, you could use tags like hiking gear, outdoor equipment, and adventure clothing. Once you have added all the relevant tags, click Save to update your product. Your product will now be discoverable by customers who are searching for products with the tags you have added. Best practices for using product tags on Shopbase include keeping them concise and relevant, using a mix of niche and broad tags, and avoiding duplicates. By following these best practices and using product tags effectively, you can increase the visibility of your products and drive more sales. In conclusion, adding product tags on Shopbase is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on the discoverability of your products. By taking the time to add relevant and concise tags, you can make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for and increase the chances of making a sale.